The team is back after a massive season last year, celebrating a decade of dirt. So this year, we asked the boys to slow down a little. Maybe a few days on a tropical island. Ranger Tommy had a word of warning.
Just be careful not to have your mouth open when you're looking up.
But it's just fascinating that on this island is completely untouched by humans.
After last season's life-threatening encounter with that stingray...
Oh, stingray nailed me.
He's not good. I don't think I've ever seen him this group. He's all bad.
They got venom in their barbs, eh? Yeah. This is how I hurt him.
We told the team to take a Sunday drive and stay away from the animals. But it was game on.
Yeah, well, hang on, mate. We want to reverse.
The road breaks, it's all bad.
They really seem to have problems staying away from the animals.
Look at that. Look at this guy, he's got a big head.
And speaking of animals, the 79 is back.
Yeah, baby! Woo!
This truck will put a smile on your dial. This year we brought a fishing guru along.
Oh yeah, it's hopping.
Seriously?
Look at this thing go.
That young fella could catch a fish in a bathtub.
Stop catching fish, Nigel. You're making us look bad.
We ventured into the rainforests of the north.
We're at a place called Wudjal. Wudjal means a place of many waterfalls.
In off-adventure language, mate, it means broken diffs and broken drive shafts. What's happening, buddy?
Something went bang.
We don't do bang. Oh, look what's laying on the ground. You are kidding. No. Mate, we've actually just been mucking around saying Wudjal and drive shafts.
Whatever the obstacle, the team always finds a way.
I think that's what All for Adventure is all about. It's about the adventure. It's about the destination, the travel, the location. It's the everything.
We honour the gallantry of the past when war touched our shores.
So you can imagine McGovern been here 10 days or so, and 2 people have now died just to rescue him. Mate, it's an horrific story.
We embrace the culture of the saltwater people as we travel on country.
So come with us as we take you to the top end of Australia.
Join Jase and the All for Adventure team as they explore coastlines of the Cape.